How to fix iPhone 16 Pro lagging. Let's get started. If your iPhone 16 Pro lagging or running slower than usual, it's frustrating, but there are a few quick fixes to get it running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can clear out temporary glitches that may be causing lag. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on the shutdown option. With that, you'll get this slider. Slide that icon to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Next, check your stories. Go to this option iPhone Storage. Here you're gonna find the list of the apps that are installed on a device. If your device is running low on space, delete or offload the unused apps. Next, disable background app refresh. For that, head back. Navigate to the option background app refresh. Open it. Now at the very top, you'll see the option of background app refresh. Click on that and set it to off. This will reduce background activity and improve performance. Another tip is to clear Safari cache. For that, hit back, scroll down, click on apps. Here you're gonna find the list of apps. Find the app Safari. Once you find it, open it. Scroll down, click on the option clear history and website data. Check in for the option all history. Enable the option close all tabs. Click on clear history. Next, what you can do is reset all settings. For that, go to the main page of settings, click on the option General. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings, enter your phone's passcode over here and go through the process. As a last resort, check for any iOS updates. Apple often releases updates with performance improvements and bug fixes, so navigate to the option of software update. If you find any existing software updates over here, just update your device software to its latest version. With these steps, your iPhone 16 Pro should be back to running at peak performance. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.